Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha was born on 18th August 1875, Basantapur, Nepal, as a son of Crown Prince Trailokya Bikram Saha and Lalit Rajeshwari Rajya Lakshmi Devi. Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha became the king of Nepal at the age of 6 in 1st December 1881 AD when his grandfather King Surendra died in 17th May 1881 AD. His mother Lalit Rajeshwari Rajya Lakshmi Devi was one of the daughter of Janga Bahadur Rana. After Janga Bahadur's death on 25th February 1877 AD, Janga Bahadur's brother Ranodep Singh became the Prime Minister and Sritin Maharaj. After that, there was a Cold War between Janga Bahadur's sons Jang Rana and Janga Bahadur's younger brother Dir Samsher's sons Samsher Rana. During the administration of Prime Minister Ranodep Singh Kumar Rana, a powerful anti-Rana political organization was active in conspiracy. The child king, Prithvi Bir Bikram's own uncle, Prince Narendra Bikram Saha, was planning to assassinate the child and become a king. Janga Bahadur's son Jagat Jung Rana was planned to be the prime minister and Padma Jung Rana the commander-in-chief. Due to the special vigilance of Commander-in-Chief General Dir Samsher Kumar Rana, the conspiracy was not successful and the organization was disbanded and its members were brutally suppressed. After opening the conspiracy of this matter, the mother of Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha and daughter of Janga Bahadur Rana, Lalit Rajeshwari Rajya Lakshmi Devi, joined Dir Samsher's son. Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha's mother, Lalit Rajeshwari Rajya Lakshmi Devi, now was against his own brother Jagat Jung Rana, who was planning to become a prime minister if this plot was success. Dir Samsher had 17 sons. The eldest was Bir Samsher. Prime Minister Ranodep Singh was safe as long as his brother Dir Samsher was alive. But Dir Samsher died on 14th October 1884 AD. The threat to Prime Minister Ranodep Singh increased. Prime Minister Ranodep Singh had made up his mind to become a monk by handing over the throne to his nephew Jagat Jung Rana. During the time of Prime Minister Ranodep Singh in 1885 AD, the East India Company government of India invited Nepal to participate in the parade to be held in Rawalpindi. The responsibility was given to Bir Samsher, son of Dir Samsher. Bir Samsher took advantage of the soldiers he had and killed his uncle Ranodep Singh. Prime Minister Ranodep Singh's residence was in Narayanhiti. At that time, Ranodep Singh was massaging in his room with oil. At 8 p.m. on 22nd November 1885 AD, Bir Samsher, Khadga Samsher, Chandra Samsher, and Bhim Samsher entered the house by giving a reason to sew necessary weapons and went inside and fired a gunshot, saying, "The same is true of those who rule from within the undergarments of a woman." Ranodep Singh died on the spot. Ranodep Singh was conspiratorially killed by his own nephews, the sons of Dir Samsher. Although Chandra Samsher had a prior understanding to shoot, he changed his mind before reaching the scene. Chandra Samsher said that he should not shoot because his wife is menstruating. Ranodep Singh was shot dead by Bhim Samsher and his body was dragged down the ladder. Janga Bahadur's son Jagat Jung Rana and grandson Yuddha Pratap Jung Rana were also killed. Jit Jung Rana, one of Janga Bahadur's son, managed to take some movable property to India. The descendants of Janga Bahadur Rana, Padma Jung, Ranveer Jung, Kedar Narsimha, Dhwaj Narsingha, Bhupendra Jung, Dambar Jung, Lalit Jung took refuge in British residence. Some of Janga Bahadur's sons ran outside the country to save their lives, and their roles as Prime Minister came to an end. Since all these events took place in the year 1885 AD, it is called the Massacre of 1885. Only the Rana family was killed in this massacre. After this massacre, Bir Samsar Rana became the Prime Minister. To explain that they were the successor of Janga Bahadur Rana, Bir Samsar and his brothers started writing JBR behind their names. All the property of Janga Bahadur Rana was taken by Bir Samsar and his brother. After Bir Samsar seized power in 1885 AD, Janga Bahadur's descendants were not allowed entering the Kathmandu Valley. At that time, Janga Bahadur's family was not allowed to study English, get a job, or do any kind of business. Janga Bahadur's family was stopped from writing JBR as their surname. As learned from Janga Bahadur, Bir Samsar, the first Rana Prime Minister of Samsar family, had married his two daughters, Kriti Divyaswari and Durga Divyaswari, to King Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha. Bir Samsar even married his grandson Sur Samsar to Sansa, the youngest daughter of King Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha. After the death of Bir Samsar in March 1901 AD, his brother Dev Samsar became the Prime Minister of Nepal on 5th March 1901 AD. During his short tenure, Dev Samsar was known as the reformist for his progressive policies. Dev Samsar proclaimed universal education, began to build schools, took bold steps to abolish slavery, and introduced several other social welfare schemes. Dev Samsar proposed a system of universal public primary education using Nepali as the language of instruction and opened Darbar High School to children who were not members of the Rana clan. Dev Samsar was also responsible for introducing a campaign in Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Patan to fight corruption, as well as introducing a cannon shot at midday to let people know the time. Dev Samsar organized a ladies' court like his late uncle Janga Bahadur and was the first person to introduce Gorkha Patra, which is still the national daily newspaper to Nepal. Due to the reformist work of Dev Samsar, the consciousness of the common people of the Kingdom of Nepal was awakened. His successor, Commander-in-Chief General Chandra Samsar, was alarmed by the reforms initiated by him, realizing that his and his nephew's interests were being harmed. In 1901 AD, Commander-in-Chief Chandra Samsar removed Prime Minister Dev Samsar. Although King Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha was not in favor of removing Dev Samsar and appointing Chandra Samsar as the Prime Minister, King Prithvi Bir Bikram was threatened and forced to do so. Chandra Samsar Janga Bahadur Rana abolished sati custom and made it illegal for a person to be killed for witchcraft. He built the first college of Nepal, Trichandra College, in 1918 AD. He established several canals in Tarai region and established hospitals throughout Nepal. The first railway service in Nepal, Nepal Government Railway from Roxol to Amlekganj, started its service in his tenure. These reforms, however, were mostly brought for the benefits of his own family. Princess Lakshmi Raja Lakshmi Devi, the eldest daughter of King Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha, was married to Keshar Samsar Janga Bahadur Rana, son of Chandra Samsar Janga Bahadur Rana. King Prithvi Bir Bikram Saha had several daughters but no sons. And Chandra Samsher then passed a new regulation on the law of succession, making it possible for the princess to ascend the throne. Princess Lakshmi thus became Crown Princess Lakshmi. However, Princess Lakshmi's younger brother Tribhuvan was born only 5 years before King Prithvi's death. King Prithvi Bir Bikram Shah was kept as a glorified prisoner and ceremonial monarch at Naranhiti Royal Palace. Among the most notable events of his reign were the introduction of the first automobiles to Nepal and the creation of a good water and sanitary system for much of the country. He died in Kathmandu, Nepal on 11th December 1911 AD at the age of 36. He is suspected to have been killed by Chandra Samsher using a poison. King Prithvi's son, Tribhuvan Bir Bikram Shah, ascended the throne at the age of 5. Thank you.